Peace squad, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be covering SEO in very simple terms, and I'm also going to tell you how you could use SEO to bring in more leads for your business in a more passive way. So if you've been trying to figure out how do you reach your target audience and you want to do it in a more effective and affordable way, and you've always been curious about what exactly is SEO and you want someone to explain it in very simple words, then be sure to stay tuned for this tutorial. Okay, squad, before I even get into any type of technical definition, let's just put SEO into simple terms using a real example. Now, Marcus, if you're watching this video, I've been wanting to sync with you for a while. So back when I met you at Luna Hookah Lounge, I remember you telling me you were in real estate. So in this example, I'm going to be showing you guys how you could use SEO to really grow a niche of individuals who are interested in purchasing real estate, and how you can use this as a more affordable and effective marketing strategy to bring in more leads in a more passive way. All right, be sure to stay tuned. Be sure to stay tuned for this tutorial. Okay, so step one in understanding SEO in very simple terms. You're likely trying to reach said audience online, right? Example, let's say you're a real estate agent and you're looking for Houston renters and home buyers. So you're likely looking for individuals online who would like to rent and or purchase homes in Houston in our real estate example. All right. Step number two, you're likely trying to figure out, how do I get an advertisement of my business in front of said audience, right? So how do I get an ad in front of my tribe, right? So how do I get my ad, my copy that says, hey, I am a Houston real estate agent, or I'm a Houston real estate broker, or I have Houston real estate available. Like, how do I get that piece of information in front of individuals who are looking to purchase real estate in Houston or looking to rent in apartments in Houston? All right. So thing number three, which is key and should definitely be true if you in any sort of business situation. So three, said audience is likely typing in certain keywords into a search engine to try to find you. Okay, so this is very important, and this is like key to keyword research. Your buyers or your audience should also be searching for you, right? So in this case, what we will be testing is, are people typing in things like, Houston homes for rent or Houston homes for sale? As soon as we see that and we see that's a high search volume, we can confirm that the thing that we're trying to offer, us being a real estate agent who is selling homes and renting homes in Houston, what we're trying to supply, there is in fact a demand for it. We can see online doing keyword research that there is in fact a good volume of individuals who are typing in search terms like Houston homes for sale or Houston apartments for rent. All right. So step number four, a search engine is what connects the two of you. Okay. So the buyers are likely typing in on a search engine like Google, Houston homes for rent, right? And likely you as a real estate agent likely have some sort of website that has the listings of the homes that you have for rent. And the search engine is basically connecting you guys, right? So as they're searching in Houston homes for rent, what you're hoping is that your page gets returned as a page that lists Houston homes that are for rent. All right. So step number five, search engine optimization makes it easier for your audience to find you. All right. So on the World Wide Web, there's millions and billions of web pages. And what Google and other search engines have to do is to examine the queries that users are typing to the search engine and determine what is the best possible results for what they're searching for. And basically what you need to do is make it super easy for Google to deduce the fact that you are the best solution possible for that query. So search engine optimization is the process of us going through certain strategies to make sure that search engines can find you so that they can return you to your buyers. All right, for your tribe, so that your tribe can find you. All right, step number 6. All right, keyword research is the process of discovering the words your audience uses to find your services online, right? So keywords like Houston homes for sale or Houston apartments for rent are keywords. So basically, keyword research is me or other marketers doing thorough research online to look at what words your buyers are searching for online. We're also looking at how competitive it would be for us to rank for certain words and how much search volume they're getting. And after us doing thorough research, what we do is propose to you, these are the keywords that we should target in order for us to attract your targeted audience. Not only is it getting a sustainable amount of search volume, but it's also not so competitive that we can't rank for it. All right. Step number 7. Competitor research involves researching the top ranking pages for your keywords. So after we deduce that these are the best keywords for the target, what we have to do is conduct competitor research. So what we're doing is looking at the top ranking pages. So currently, who are the top ranking pages for the keywords that we would like to target, right? So for example, if we were doing Houston home buyers, right? If we're doing Houston homes for rent and Houston homes for sale and Houston apartments for rent, currently, what are the top ranking pages for those keywords, right? That's the process of competitor research, all right? Step number 8, UX UI design is the process of designing optimized web pages that will rank for your keyword. So after we conduct competitor research, what we need to do is study the UX UI design of the top ranking pages. Is this a directory? Is this a blog post? Is this a store? We need to study what are the designs of the top ranking pages, and what we need to do is create an optimized design that will model that. Not only does it have the features of the website as far as design goes, but it's also SEO optimized, meaning things like backlinks and internal links, as well as making sure our keywords are in things like our H2 and our H3. All right, which brings us to step number 9. Backlinks are external page references that will help you rank. Now, backlinks are always super important, especially if after doing keyword research, we conclude the fact that your competitors are actually using backlinks. All right, so backlinks are what basically other pages that reference back to you saying that you're a credible source that's related to your niche. In a future series, we'll go more into backlink strategy. For now, just understand that that's a part of our larger strategy to help you better show up online so that your tribe can find you. All right, step number 10, tracking and reporting. So tracking key performance indicators and iterate our strategy. So after we go through this entire process, we develop and we deploy our new web pages for us to bring in your targeted audience and to be able to attract your targeted audience. What we need to do is set up things like conversion rate and our return on ad spend and our click-through rate. So we establish KPIs that are important for your niche. And what we do is measure how well we're doing. And based on those numbers, we iterate and switch up our marketing strategy. All right, guys. So this is SEO explained in very simple terms. This is the prominent marketing style and services that we'll be offering at Lemon Squeeze Marketing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to come back to get more strategy about how we will be implementing SEO to help our customers find their tribe.